So here we go then, the articles are out. Blocked. Major Firestick and IPTV change, which will block illegal football streaming for good. Popping up all over social media and the internet today. Everyone's jumping on the bandwagon how Firesticks will no longer involve illegal streaming, shall we say, IPTV. Not all IPTV is illegal for one. You know, block illegal football streaming. It depends. How could it block illegal football streaming when it's abroad anyway? There's many ways to do what you need to do on your device. It's not all illegal, but these are so clickbait, it's unreal. And that's coming from me. So before we get cracking, make sure you hit that follow button and make sure you do obviously comment your thoughts on this underneath, whether you're still a Firestick user. The fear-mongering around Firesticks is huge. Okay, so these articles are popping up from usual people trying to make out that Firesticks will be banned and you won't be able to do it because of a change on your Firesticks. This is not 100% true. So the big issue here is Firestick and IPTV changes set to block illegal football streaming for good. But what it's all about, to set this record straight, it's all about on that Firestick 4K Select, which has been released, well, pretty much this month. It's been announced and it's being released and pre-ordered, all depending on which country you're in. The Firestick 4K Select has the brand new Vega OS on it. The Vega OS is Linux based. It's more web-based, that'd be. So you've got a lot of streaming apps which do work. The official ones, because they've released web-based apps, because a lot of apps are web-based anyway, actually, at the back end, but they're Android operating system based. But let's not get into that. What the big thing that a lot of these articles are forgetting to tell you is that it's not happening to your current Firesticks, okay? It's not happening to your current Firesticks. The ones you've already got, you can still buy Firesticks with Android on them as well. I am on YouTube. I am on Facebook. If you want to give me a follow, and I will keep you up to date if you see any of these articles. My Facebook got shut down, so I could do with a few of you following me. I've only got 137 followers currently on Facebook, so come and jump in and hit that follow button, link underneath. And I'll also link my 24/7 support stream as well, if you need that. That's all there for you. But we got these IPTV changes, but let me just show you something. So let me just write in Firestick. Okay, Firestick. Amazon Firestick 4K newest gen. Okay, that's the newest gen at the bestseller. That is not the Select. That is an Android device at $25.99. Okay, they're selling these now. So they're selling these with Android on them. Okay, they can't sell these now with Android on and then next week put a different operating system on them. Okay, it just can't happen. It's all down here. You've got your streaming device, tells you your operating system, what it allows, what it doesn't, and they can't just suddenly change that overnight for you, okay? Also, a lot of these are covered up till like 27, 28 with the operating system they're currently working before they do it. And to actually change an operating system on a device is going to be a big rollout and a lot of issues rather than releasing a working device with it working, okay? So you get, let's see if they've got it on here yet. 4K Max is my pick if you're going to pick one. It's on sale as well. Let me write it in. So the device they are selling, they've not even got it on the website at the moment. They had it on the website, but it's not even on here anymore. The 4K Select, oh there it is. We have got it here. It's more expensive. It's more expensive and it has a different operating system, so it won't have as much. Okay, it's got the same memory as the original Firestick HD with only 1 gig of RAM. It only runs Wi-Fi 5. Instead of Wi-Fi 6 or 6E. It's got a lower level Bluetooth on it. It's just not worth it. It doesn't need the same. Here we go. Amazon Luna, that's the gaming. It doesn't need as much RAM because of the operating system is a lot, not as heavy, should we say. But they can't sell the other sticks and then suddenly change it all. So you've got nothing to worry about, okay? Keep using your stick you've got doing. Make sure you're following me on all my platforms and my help and we will keep you streaming no matter what, and for free. And remember, if they do block side loading and all those sort of things, there's official apps out there which show football all around the world at 3 o'clock. You just use a VPN and Bob's your uncle. He may actually be your uncle. And you will be getting your football anyway, just with a simple VPN on there. Really easy. You know, it's just about learning and picking up the basics and knowing what you're doing and keeping yourself safe online. So if you are after a VPN, that'll be down with the links as well underneath. Brilliant. So I have been Doc Squiffy. Come find me on my Facebook if you can. Do need the help and get myself up. We did have 30,000 followers on there. We now have 137. So anyone who wants to follow, do follow, but I understand a lot of you don't like the Facebook anyway. But the live stream is up and running as well. If I show you here, this is the live stream, and this runs 24/7 on Kick. That's underneath, and you can just ask any questions in the chat, and I do help you out there as well. Perfect. So I've been Doc Squiffy. Thank you all for watching. We will see you on the next one, no doubt, and I'll see you tomorrow.